Hi guys, we are going to solve the equation x to the power x is equals to 4 to the power x plus 16. Since a to the power m plus n is equals to a to the power m into a to the power n, the above equation can be written as x to the power x is equals to 4 to the power x into 4 to the power 16. To simplify this equation, we are going to divide it by 4 to the power x on both sides. So x to the power x divided by 4 to the power x is equals to 4 to the power x into 4 to the power 16 divided by 4 to the power x. 4 to the power x will be cancelled out on the right hand side. So what is left? X to the power x divided by 4 to the power x is equals to 4 to the power 16. As the numerator and the denominator of this term have the same power, we can write it as x divided by 4 to the power x is equals to 4 to the power 16. As the numerator of the base and its power are the same, and to find the same format on the right hand side, we will multiply the base 4 by the number 4 and divided it by 4. So 4 into 4 becomes 16. So 16 divided by 4 the power 16, and left hand side is x divided by 4, the whole power is x. By comparing both sides of the equation, we will get x is equals to 16. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video.